Hey guys, this is Neil here from InDepth Tech. So today we're going to talk about this tiny little Chroma device which can actually control all the remote control devices at your place. So for an example, I'll be controlling my air condition in my room with this device. What I mean by controlling is not just switching on and switching off the device, but actually controlling the temperature, setting a timer, controlling the different modes like cooling, heating, dehumidification. It depends on your AC, and also controlling the fan speed, low, medium, high. Here's an example how I'm able to control my air condition with the Chroma IR Blaster using the application on my phone. So you just need to download the Smart Life application. It's easily available on Play Store and the App Store. Just click on sign up, agree. You can actually integrate your the Gmail address with this application. So I've already registered my Google account. So I'll just go back and click on login. I'll agree. So as you can see, it's asking me for my email address. So I'll just click on my email address. It takes a time. Yeah. So we are into the app. So now what you have to do is you have to click on the plus icon on the top right corner, go down to others and click on universal remote control. So now you have to select a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. So this is really important. A 5 gigahertz network won't work. So as you can see, I've connected to the Wi-Fi network, my home Wi-Fi network. So the password is also there. So I'll just click on next. So I need to reset the device. So there's a button given here. So you just need to press it till the LED light blinks rapidly. See, as you can see, the LED has started blinking rapidly. So I'll just confirm and click on next. So yeah, it's searching my device. You'll have to wait for a few minutes. Yeah, it's registered. Yes. So you have to select where is, so you have to select basically where you have to add this device. So I'll just click on study room. Done. So yeah, we are on. So I have already configured this device previously. So I have all my devices actually configured. So I'll go ahead and as you can see the air condition, I'll just delete it. I'll just press confirm. So now what do you have to do? You have to go down and click on add remote control. So as you can see, there are many options like set-top box, TVs, air condition, TV boxes, fan, DVD, light, projectors. Light basically means the light which you can control with a remote control. So there's also a DIY option, which is actually a very smart thing the Chroma has done. I'll have to make a separate video for the DIY. So let's go ahead and click on air condition. So I'm using a Daikin AC, Daikin inverter AC. So I'll just search for Daikin. So yeah, a remote pops up basically. So now, no matter how old your Daikin AC or any other AC is, there are actually 49 types of remote controls available only for Daikin. So if you choose some other, if you have some other brands air condition, so there'll be not just one remote, there'll be many remotes. So I'll just go ahead and click on switch. So as you can see, my AC has responded to it. So if your AC doesn't respond to it, just go ahead and click on the next one. So this is actually a one-time process. So yeah, you don't need to worry. So I'll select this one. That's all. That's all. So my remote control for the AC has been configured. So I'll click on switch. Yeah. So I'll just go back. Now as you can see, yeah, I can see my air condition over here. Yeah, so as you can see, the AC is on. So I'll just set the temperature to maybe 20 degrees. So it's responding. Also, I can change the mode to heating, but my AC doesn't support heating. So I'll just click on cooling. Yeah. I can also set the air volume temperature, air volume speed, I mean, to low, medium, high, or auto. So I'll go ahead and select low. So now we'll see that how you can set timers to your air condition. So now we'll go ahead and click on smart, click on tap to run, select the plus icon on the top right. So now it says tap to launch, just click on tap to launch, click on run this device, go to the air condition. Okay, now click on switch, means the AC will switch on, then click on next. Again click on the plus icon on the task, click on delay. Say maybe I want to switch off my AC in 1 hour, so I'll just select 1 hour. I'll click next, and I'll click on plus. I'll click on run this device, air condition. So now it's showing me that my air condition is off. So what I'll do is I click on the switch 2 times. So 1 and 2, and I'll click on next. So that means, as you can see, it's written air condition off. So I'll save this condition. So let's go ahead. So now when I click on the air condition customize, so you can see it sent a signal. My AC is on right now, and now after 1 hour the AC will switch off automatically. So I'll just go ahead and click OK. So if you want to check that if this task is in process or not, you can just click on logs. So now you can see that the air condition customization state is in process. That's it for today, guys. So in the next video, we'll be seeing how to integrate your Chroma AR Blaster with the Google Home. So let me show you an example. Hey Google, switch off the AC in.
Sure, turning the air conditioning off.
Hey Google, switch on the AC in 15 seconds.
Okay, I'll turn on the air conditioning at 1:05 a.m.
That's simple. I can also set the temperature. Hey Google, set the AC temperature to 18 degrees.
Okay, setting the air conditioning to 18 degrees.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. That's it for today. So we'll be making some more home automation videos, which the devices are actually easily available in the market, and you can actually set up at your place.